Keep your home as warm or cool as you want all year round by reducing your operating expenses. Breathe deeply in a home completely free of pollutants. Enjoy a comfortable living environment which actually adds to your physical well-being and extends the life of your furnishings. Have the peace of mind regarding the reliability of your heating and cooling equipment. Imagine entering a living environment which is completely free of dust, molds, spores, airborne bacteria and viruses, pet dander, PM10 pollution from the outdoors, and the effects of an inversion. Central home air purification is the answer. Indoor humidity levels are as low as 8% in winter. This causes dry skin and nasal passages for you, but your furnishings suffer too. Musical instruments go out of tune, wood floors open up, cabinets and furniture shrink, and plants dry out. Whole home humidification solves this problem and provides a soothing environment in which to live. The average residential HVAC system is operating at only 60% efficiency when it could be 96% efficient. An initial calibration followed by annual furnace and AC tune-ups keep your equipment running at their best. Remember that HVAC equipment is your biggest utility expense. Improve your standard of living without moving from your home. Eliminate cold spots, maintain the temperature in your home within a half a degree of the thermostat set point, and save money in the process. Your local good neighbor HVAC technician can make this happen for your home. We are professionals who live and work in your neighborhood and have mastered the techniques necessary to get the most from your living environment.